If you need to update your TradingView username on Whop, this video will walk you through the full process, step by step, from changing your username on TradingView itself to unlinking the old account inside Whop and then connecting your new TradingView username so your access updates correctly. This is a super useful fix if you changed your handle, got a new profile name, or just want your Whop integrations to stay in sync with your current TradingView account. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, before you touch anything in Whop, you need to officially change your username on TradingView. This part is important because Whop reads the username tied to your TradingView profile, so the platform has to reflect the new handle first. Open your web browser and go to TradingView, then sign into the account that you want to update. Once you are inside your account, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Billing. This will open your account settings area, where TradingView stores your public profile details. On the public profile page, look for the option that says Change Username. Click it, then enter your new TradingView username carefully. Make sure there are no typos, no extra spaces, and that the name is exactly what you want linked moving forward. After that, click Save Changes. Once this is done, your TradingView profile is updated on the platform side, and now you can move over to Whop to refresh the connection. Next, you need to unlink the old TradingView handle from your Whop account. To do that, go to whop.com and sign in. Make sure you are on your home feed after logging in. In the top right corner, click your profile icon located to the right of your profile name. Clicking that gear icon will open your account settings, which is where Whop keeps your connected services and integrations. Inside Account Settings, look for the section called Connected Accounts. In the left sidebar menu, click on Connected Accounts Management Grid. This is where you can view and manage every external account that is linked to your Whop profile. Find your TradingView connection card in that list. When you see it, click the trash can icon next to it, then confirm the prompt to unlink or remove the old connection. This step is what breaks the old association, so Whop stops trying to reference the previous username. Now that the old connection is removed, it's time to connect your new TradingView username. Still inside the Connected Accounts area, find the TradingView card again and click the Add button or the plus icon next to it. This starts the linking process for your updated username. In the input field that appears, type or paste your exact new TradingView username. Double-check it before continuing, because this part needs to match your new profile name exactly. When everything looks correct, click Connect to instantly link the account. At this point, your new TradingView username should be attached to Whop, and your Premium Indicator script or invite-only access should update based on that new connection. For the best results, go back to your TradingView charting panel and do a hard refresh. On Windows, that means pressing Ctrl plus F5. On Mac, use Command plus Shift plus R. This helps force the page to reload and pick up the new connection faster. Just keep in mind that it can sometimes take 10 to 15 minutes for the indicators to fully resync under your new username, especially in the invite-only scripts section. So if you don't see everything update instantly, give it a little time and refresh again later. That delay is normal in many cases. And that's it. You've now updated your TradingView username on Whop, removed the old connection, and linked the new one the right way. If this video saved you time, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.